friends, how are you? So, how to organize a kitchen? So, first, do a deep declutter. Second, store seasonal items. Third, choose the right organizers. Fourth, embrace risers. Fifth, roll in a cart. Sixth, add shelving. And seventh, use the back of doors. Use hanging storage. A mounted pot rack helps save cabinet space when outfitted with shiny copper cookware. If you have limited wall space, a helpful small kitchen decor idea is to hang the rack from the ceiling or over a window. Build a plate rack. This DIY plate rack has a narrow footprint but makes a stylish impact by keeping favorite items on display. A simple form decked out with shelves and dowel rods, stores platters, plates, cookbooks, and more. Find storage opportunities. Look down low for storage opportunities in a small kitchen. A hanging rack with hook for pot fits perfectly at the end of this island.